Hello, say hi.
Oh, hi. I'm her cousin, and I came to visit, of course. And
We're gonna go to the den and show all my art.
yeah. So
I'm gonna remove this den. Okay, let's go remove it. Not like remove
and
it.
like guys, you have to follow her and me, of course. Because like she has the best art in the universe.
Some of it I made a Nyan cat today. Who's up here?
Your mom.
Oh, wait, guys. Wait. Nada. Okay, wait, guys. Okay, guys, we're back.
Because
We had to eat. And she also had to leave, but she's gonna come back.
I came back. No, I'm gonna stay here.
Yay! Not for life, though.
Hmm?
Not for life, like a sleepover. That'll be weird.
We are sleeping over here, silly Billy.
You'll sleep in my bed because I don't sleep in it.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, now what do you want to do?
What kind of sleepover is that? Oh my gosh, I used to have these crayons. It reminds me.
Don't buddy me.
Wait, where's the right?
So, no, she's not on yet. So, guys, what should we do now? What do you want to do?
Okay, you log in my account so we see each other. Our password.
Also,
Don't
buddy,
say it out loud.
also buddy her.
Oh yeah, buddy. It's the Animal Lover 16.
Show.
Get it right.
Okay, I'll show you what it is. I usually get it wrong. See, Animal Lover. Stop going on my, back. No.
Oh what?
Okay, this is her. I changed her deer. Oh my god, I keep falling off this chair.
Could you go get the waters?
We got water.
Yeah, so that's my account. This is you can visit me, whatever. Like we're cousins again. She hacked me. No guys, Animal AJHQ headquarters. I didn't hack her, by the way.
I'm just kidding.
We were about to do the masterpieces.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm
Search
gonna
up
show
masterpieces and put them in this den.
Okay.
Also, if you want, you can put them. Okay, pick the color. Pick the color you want. Green or different color.
I'm choose blue.
Okay, I'll get green then because I like it.
Oh my gosh, it's hard to close it.
I'm done. Okay, put it away. Okay. Hey, you almost have mines.
What do you mean?
Oh, so your password is your last name?
Why you say it out loud?
Nope, they don't know your password. I mean, they don't know your, last name.
Oh. Oh! Okay. Sorry, oopsies.
Nada.
Okay, so we're gonna search up masterpieces.
Don't do what happened to your background?
It always deletes when you restart. I was about to say to not do that, but I'm sorry to let you. Okay.
Okay. Can't you just
So here's the first one.
You can put all of them except those.
I know.
They can look at it.
It says Bright Heart.
Brightheart is actually told me to never give up because actually she and the cat in the book, her eye got scratched and her ear got
bitten.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's cute. I like that. So you guys could like this.
This one is probably my best. No, not that one.
That's cute though.
It's a galaxy. It's horrible. That one. That's my bae.
Oh, that is so it's so cute. I'm gonna totally put it. Wait, you should get when you get diamonds, of course, but I don't have any diamonds yet.
The member daily spin?
Uh-huh.
You can get diamonds though.
Oh, duh.
Yeah. I always get 3. I don't know why in one row. It's a glitch.
This is my fave. Like teens, you're the best.
Teens is my other.
I know. Also, you're the guys well.
She's adorable. Fluffy Noel. Man, that's loud.
Oh, this is so cute.
This is where the spike is so 3D and it looks like it's outside. It's standing out.
So yeah.
So yeah, put the
I'm so putting that thing.
You like all of them, let me guess.
I love all of them.
Okay, next one. This is where you get to the sloppy ones because I didn't know about this circle. It's loading.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
I already liked it.
I know you like your all
Parts.
masterpieces.
Yeah, so I'd be the first one.
You'll be the first one liking it. I have some masterpieces, but not a lot.
See, animal lover.
I didn't show you this one.
What's your pass? Ah, I found it. I remember it. It's from the site.
Yeah.
Next one. This is Sarai's cat. This is Sarai's.
What does it say?
Bright Heart. It's the next one. I forgot to write her bit in here because I didn't know she had it. Next one. Next one.
No,
I have to scroll it
I
down.
have to show them.
It's not letting me go. Okay, let's go back.
You have to refresh it.
Animal Jammy.
Animal Jam.
Play now.
Okay. So that's pretty.
I did it.
You have a bunch of masterpieces.
I got a couple. This is Sarai's. You can like it though.
I don't want to like it. She's so mean.
You know she's giving me back that. And I think I'm gonna tell her to watch that video to see how rude you are. You even got rude at her when you called her. Be ashamed of yourself.
Sure.
Be ashamed. Fine. Then I will break your computer.
Break it. I'll tell your mom to pay it for me. Actually, I need a new case so you can break it. Yeah, it's cracked.
Man.
Julie is always stepping on my. Could you trade me a masterpiece?
How about no?
Oh, you're like, how about no?
I can see your password. Let's see. No!
Said it out loud.
Why?
Why? I don't know why you said it out loud.
Yes, I did it. I know it.
Oh,
I want the Phantom mask.
Accept it.
Can I have the Phantom mask?
Maybe didn't.
Can I have the mask? Yeah, you got it. Can I have the mask?
No.
Please, I like it. Look at it. It looks beautiful.
Ew, it's ugly. You can have it.
Yay, thank you.
You have to trim it though.
No, but I don't have anything good.
You know what I want.
No.
A masterpiece.
No.
An ugly one. Like this one.
Fine, then have the Bright Heart. The one that has that says Bright Heart and she doesn't have the bitten up ear. You can have it.
This one?
No, that one.
I don't like that.
You have to. You said the ugliest masterpiece.
You said this one's ugly.
I said, okay, fine, you can have that one.
Oh, yeah. Go to your done.
Okay. My done.
I'm getting that masterpiece.
Okay. Hey, why are you putting it out there?
Because we ran out of space and you're done.
You know that if you go back to my first masterpiece, it got the most likes. I thought it looked ugly. It got the most likes.
That's surprising.
That's actually my first masterpiece. Right there, baby. And then, look how much likes it got.
Oh my god.
That's my first masterpiece. And
It's not bad. That's not bad. I like the back one. Probably people choose the
and
back
the
one.
eyes, they look like more.
Exactly. That's super cute. No wonder they liked it.
Why do you have so much rares on trade?
I know, right? No. Put them on.
I'm gonna put them. Why do you always
Don't take out the rares.
You know I'm not taking them off. I'm not deleting them. I'm just taking them off trade.
I know.
I will take that and that.
No.
Fine, then the Phantom one. I like the Phantom one.
Fine.
You can have the Galaxy. I don't like it.
You don't like that? You're a good cuckoo. Yeah. You're cuckoo. It's a
No.
cat.
Okay, come on. I will follow you. Look, making my way downtown, walking around.
Why are you making?
That's
That's scary.
I'm sorry.
It just started speaking.
I will attack you.
This is pretty.
I don't dare you, don't it?
I'm not finished with you.
Okay.
I'm changing animals.
Wait.
I'm changing to the goat.
Okay, I knew it. Wait, trade me the...
We have to go because...
Oh, God.
We'll get another part 2.
Bye. Somebody stop it.
Well, it's going to stop in 13 seconds, so...
I got it.